Here it is, guys. Alright guys, today's a big day for the Integra. I am waiting on some K-Tune packages to get here. UPS, I'm waiting on them. We are installing the K1 coilovers, K-Tune K1 coilovers. But I'm going to divide these videos up quite a bit. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove your front coilovers or struts, whatever you may have. Super easy. We'll start with the passenger side. Remove these two bolts. And if the lighting is good, we'll just have to remove this guy and this one too. I think I gotta transfer this onto the K-Tune coilover. So super easy. Is that dead spider? Yeah, it's dead. Super simple. That's all it is to changing out your front suspension. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. I'm kind of hoping I don't need to undo the axle nut to swing this a little better out of the way. I actually think if I can loosen the bottom bolt, hopefully it loosens up well enough to where it just drops down and it hangs here, and then I can do the top two bolts to remove the JIC coilover, I believe it is. Yeah, JIC. They do need rebuilds. I'm going to post them up for sale, but they do need some rebuilds on this suspension here. But let's go ahead and crank these guys off, and there's other stuff I'm waiting on. But like I said, all these videos will be a little bit separate in their own videos. So let's go ahead and get this started. 17mm socket. $14mm. Okay, last step, hold the coilover at the bottom, move these two bolts, or nuts I should say. Let me get 17mm, need a longer socket, so I'll break them loose, break this one loose. Just like that, guys. You guys, the suspension is off. Super freaking easy. So I'll hold the bottom. And coilovers off. On the driver's side, I'll show you guys from the bottom. But there it is. Super crusty. Super crusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it real quick with some brake cleaner, because I do want to post this for sale. And remember, I will tell the buyer that I'm pretty sure they do need rebuilds. Yeah, for sure. But let me clean this up real quick and then we'll jump to the driver's side. Alright guys, there it is. Driver's side is off now. Super easy. Can't say it enough. But it's off. This guy's hanging here. Now I am waiting for UPS to come here, but you guys will see in previous videos of me unboxing most likely. So yeah, and then radiator hoses also. Completely redo all those. And it's back to a running car. I think there's... I'm trying to think what else there was. I'm going to replace this header. You guys will see that in future videos. I believe it hits on the steering rack. So, gotta lose it. I think in other videos I said the subframe, but no, it's the steering rack. So, gotta lose this header. OBX TSX header. But yeah guys, that's how easy. I gotta wait so I could do the rears. I don't know if I'm gonna do it at this crazy angle. Probably not best that I did it like this. So yeah, let's wait for the package to get here.